Mag on again with another exposure. Now we go take a look into the so-called Sir Richard Branson right here, so-called went to space yesterday, fooling the dumb people. And I tell you, man, the masses in a cloud of brainwash, they're not gonna get it. This right here is a devil puppet, and you believe in space, you're 100% dumb. As you can see with the eagle wings right there. Yes, and a ribbon right there with the rainbow color. Ribbon is 33, and of course he represent the gay, lesbian, and transgender community. We go get into this right here. Fakery at its best. Don't let them mock you. You're dumb or what? Move!
Ladies and gentlemen, this
Take a look at this faker right here.
Sir Richard Branson, astronaut.
Yes, he's now an astronaut, people. This is how they dumb down the masses with their satanic puppet. Yes, he's the one who make the rocket and fly to space in it. You believe it? Let's watch this right here. Let's show you. Now take a look at this fancy looking plane right there. They tell you that the two ones at the side, the ones at the side is planes, and the one in the middle, that's the rocket that gonna take them to space. Watch fakery right here. People just put it in this world. Take a look, people. Just a plane taking off. That's all it is. Watch this right here. I hope you show the whole film when it go to space and stop fooling the people. There is no space. What's wrong with you people? They never get out the damn dome. Pay attention right here. Fakery and the masses. Those spacecraft. Now take a look at this right here. Go back. Let me show you that there ain't nobody dumb over here. You see the real plane right here and watch what happened. What is this right here? Pay attention. Pay attention right here. What is this? You think this is real? I'm asking the people right now, you believe this is a CGI part of the footage right here with your virgin right there in the middle. 23 numerology right there on the coding. Pay attention.
5, 3,
5,
2,
3.
1.
Wow.
Release, release, release.
Yeah, release, release, release. So you see this that fall off with the virgin on it. This gonna blast off as fast as the speed of sound, they tell you. And take them to space. Watch this right here,
Clean
people.
release.
Come on.
Ignition.
Watch this. That's CGI
Good
right
rocket motor
here.
bird.
Nobody can fool me. This is also CGI right here. They show you the fancy plane, but all of this that they show you right here is CGI. 100% in. You
There's
see it?
Mach 1 trimming now.
Let's listen. Take a look at that shit. That's CGI right there, people. You believe it gonna go to space right there? Come on, that's dumb. Pay
45
attention right
seconds.
there. 45 second number 9.
50 seconds approaching Mach 3.
Mach 3, of course.
There's Mach 3.
We see it.
And 60 seconds. And that is a full duration burn, folks. We are headed to space.
Wow, that's it, people. We are heading to space. And then bam, here it comes. It's flying back to Earth already. You see that? Wow. Okay, let's see if they're gonna show some footage in space. Watch this. Everybody dumb on the Earth. That's why you got brainwashed.
Main gear touchdown.
Touchdown.
And we're going to hold it just like this for a minute before bringing the nose down.
Wow, and take a look at this right here, people. This Sir Richard Branson is a fucking faker. They fake. They're 100% fake. They're bloodline of the devil people, and they have to put them on. Any shape or form, they got to put on to the public for the brainwash. There you go.
Celebrating inside there.
Yes, he's celebrating.
So just imagine a world where people of all ages, all backgrounds, from anywhere, of any gender, of any ethnicity, have equal access to space.
Equal access to space. I tell you, man, no wonder they say you're a pandemic and you buy it. How dumb can the masses be in the middle of a pandemic? They're putting on all this show right here for you. Distraction. Telling you that they're going to space and they can bring the public to space. What a dumb shit, people.
And they will in turn, I think, inspire us back here on
Yes,
Earth.
of course.
If you've ever had a dream, now is the time to make it come true.
Wow. If you ever have a dream, now is the time to make it come true. Move.
This drop, and then when that engine lights.
Listen to this right here, people, and listen how they take you to space. I already told you what they did. They take you up in the sky and drop the plane, let it free fall, and of course you will float for a minute. It's not space, people. It's the same thing as the zero-G plane. It's different. When they tell you they're in the zero-G plane floating, did they tell you they go to space? The answer is no. They let the plane free fall, and that's how they get to float for about a minute or so. Nobody go to space. Are you dumb?
That rocket engine, they'll be slammed back in their seats. They'll be going faster than the speed of sound.
That's bullshit, people. They be slammed back into their seat. They be going as fast as the speed of sound. Are you kidding me, people? Are you dumb? It is fuckery. 100% in. You think they can make something that can actually go the fast as the speed of sound? People just dumb. I told you.
In less than 8 seconds. So I think they're thinking about that.
We are armed for release. 20 seconds.
They're armed for release. And take a look at them right here, people, in the fancy looking shit. And if you ask me, man, they're not in there. Believe they go nowhere at all. It's those regular people. I don't think so. It's the same puppets.
He's throwing out terms like Mach 2.
45 seconds.
Tell us again what that...
Where you see it shaking, people, you know it's not real if you got any kind of common sense. This is fakery. 100% CGI. None of it is real.
It feels like physically.
So they're just about to cut off the engine, then they'll be weightless.
You just see right there on the side. You see the blue? The blue is the top, the sky. You can't get to it. What is this they're pulling off on the masses? They basically tell you they ain't going nowhere.
There's Mach 3.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
And 60 seconds. And that is a full duration break.
Okay, so now they're in space, people. Pay attention.
Wow.
They're weightless.
It's not real.
Inside.
There you go. And now they can show you this. It's a fakery, people. It's 100% fake. And I already told you the only way they can take you to space is by a virtual reality. Put the goggles on your eyes and you'll see there's no space.
The pilots are now
175.
And as soon as they do that,
Look at this. This alone tell you it's a hoax. They show you this in everything. They show you that this is the earth right there they're looking at. Why you believe them now? Why you still believe them? Because you're dumb.
Can initiate fastly for spaceship unity. This is normal. You want those windows pointed down towards the earth to maximize that incredible view.
So
They're
they
weightless
are...
now, but more important, they have the view.
Yes, so they're weightless and...
Weightless right now, people. They're in space right now. And a so-called camera from the ground is still recording it. Are you dumb or what, people? This show that you're dumb. This prove it.
They've been told they can unstrap and the plane is going to angle itself so that they can look out the window back at planet Earth from...
So they can look out the window back at planet Earth and they're still right there. You see that they didn't go nowhere. Are you dumb?
space. Do I have that right, Katie?
You do, and I don't know. There was some talk about how many miles. When you have that view, it just doesn't matter. It's a special place to be.
Yeah, they say how many miles, it doesn't matter. Once you have that view, it's a special place to be. They never go to space, and they're not lying. They're not admitting. They're admitting it right here that they didn't go to space. 100% in. They're faking it.
You have described having that view as transformational, something that changes a person. How so exactly in your experience?
Looking back, realizing that basically every Earthling, except the 6 or 7 on the space station and you up in space, 2 pilots, 4 crewmen, 4 astronauts up in space on Virgin Galactic, everyone else,
And the only thing you need to understand, people, this is showing on the news. That's it. Once you understand that, you realize that the world is a deception. The same way they show you the Elon Musk car flying around the ball Earth. Yes, in space, people, the same.
Are back on Earth. It's our planet. We all live there. And it's just something you can't.
Planet, we all live there, and that's where you're at. And you use the word there. It's bullshit.
Unsee.
It's a kind of perspective that I imagine gets its way into your molecules, where you get a sense that, as Carl Sagan once described, we live on a pale blue dot in an infinite universe.
Living on a pale blue dot. I told you, people, it's a satanic teaching, and once you buy it, you don't know the real creator. Once you buy the spinning ball and them go into space, you have no idea what's the creator. Move. Bam.
So all you kids down there.
Take a look at this right here, people. They're in space right now. You remember the footage that they just showed you, the plane flying around? Yes, that's space right there. And now they're floating around in the zero-G plane. And you still buy it as space. What's wrong with you? It's bullshit.
I was once a child with a
you was
dream,
once a child.
looking up to the stars. Now, I'm an adult in a
Yes,
space.
and you believe these people, you get a chance to see hurt behind you when you're in space, but you wear this dark ass shade. Do you believe them? They're full of shit, 100% in. All of them have on shade. What you think, people? What's up with the shade? Are you dumb? You're on the plane, you're in space, and this is what you do. You put on a shade, a dark shade. Dumb the fuck
As a
on.
wonderful adult looking down to our
Yes,
beautiful,
wonderful
beautiful
adult.
Earth, to the next generation of dreamers.
Mm-hmm.
If we can do this,
See?
just imagine.
Wow, if we could do this. It's just a dream, people. They got you. You're dumb as a box of rocks. You believe this fool right here? Pay attention.
What you can do.
You gotta be kidding
Hey!
me. Wow. Yes, of course, you can do the impossible now. Look at this bullshit right here they're selling you. You're just in him. It's a government puppet. Bam.
Dr. Mae Jemison is joining me now.
Watch this, people. The so-called first woman of color that go to space, and bam! What kind of color? Person is just a masked up character. This is how they get black people interested in dumb space fantasy. Yes, they know a lot of black people be like, oh, I don't care, I don't care. So they have to give you a black people. They give you black people that so-called went to space, astronauts. Are you dumb? Nobody's no astronaut. They're fakers. You can't go to no space. You see, they show you all the books behind him to show you that she's smart. Believe that it's a black woman? That's how I know you're dumb.
She is a former NASA astronaut. She is the first woman of color
and
to travel to space.
This right here can write books for your dumb ass about finding the wings. What the fucking dumb shit is that about finding where the wind goes? It's bullshit. 100% faker for the dumb people.
On the space shuttle Endeavour. She's the author of Find Where the Wind Goes, Moments from My Life. Also joining us.
Moments of my life. And they draw this shit around the head. Yes, like he got on a helmet. Space is fake. Astronauts is a 100% sodomites. And the mass is fooling you.
Leland Melvin, former NASA astronaut and
another black man again. Another former astronaut from NASA. Are you dumb? They all fake. They let black people believe in
author of Chasing Space, an astronaut story of grit.
Space. And he's in the orange suit right there for Freemasonry. Nobody go to space. Are you dumb? A lot of people crazy want to believe they can go to the dome. You believe they can do that? You believe they can fly out of the earth? You're stupid.
Grace
Everybody's trapped in here together.
Second chances. I am honored to be with the both of you today on this historic day. Dr. Jameson, tell me what's going through your mind right now as you are watching the preparations for this liftoff.
I'm actually very excited about what's happening.
Where your common sense and everything to believe them. That's stupid. I already told you. If you want to believe in space and the ball earth, you have to basically throw away your senses. The sense that you used to feel, you never feel in on earth. That if you want to believe that, you have to throw away your sense of feeling. Do you ever see a curvature? If you want to believe in a curvature on this earth, you have to throw away your sight also. You can't look. You look up in the sky, you see a top and they tell you it's atmosphere. So now your sight sense is gone. You're not using it. You just believe in what they tell you about this earth. In order for you to believe in that spinning ball in space, you have to throw all your senses out the door. Believe in sodomites that they bring on. Bam, you empty space in your head. Yes, that's how you get brainwashed about space. I'm gone.